Wow!
Hello! Shadow TV!
Hello, we're here again to continue our tour in Dubai. After we have lunch, we'll start exploring. Come on guys, join us. We saw this huge aquarium. It has a large tank with millions of liters of water and many types of fish, including sharks and rays. You can walk through a tunnel inside the tank to see the fish up close. There is also an underwater zoo with different animals, like otters, penguins, and crocodiles. You can even go snorkeling, diving with sharks, or take a boat ride with a glass bottom to see the fish. Let's go to their next attraction. We're heading now to Dubai Mall Waterfalls. The Dubai Mall Waterfall is one of the most popular hotspots in Dubai. The waterfall in Dubai Mall is 24 meters tall and has a circular shape. Its diameter is over 30 meters. It's usually referred to as the human waterfall in Dubai Mall, due to the sculptures of men diving in. The figures are sculpted in fiberglass and represent pearl divers jumping into the water.
Isa naman pala ito sa kabilang side. Guys. Ayan o, dalawa naman pala ito. Ganda rin ito.
That's why many tourists take pictures and videos here.
Wow! So beautiful.
We're going out now, guys, and heading to the beautiful Jumeirah Beach with the Flying Cup.
Punta kami ngayon sa Flying Cup.
Flying Cup is a unique 3-in-1 food and entertainment experience, combining fantastic 360 panoramic views of Marina and JBR. A unique sensation of freedom and amazing food. Flying Cup is suitable for the entire family.
Ngayon, punta muna kami doon. Check namin yung voucher namin. Nabili namin online. Napin lang namin yung tayo yung entrance. Ganda guys, oh. Ganda dito, grabe. Mukhang hindi dito ang daanan, guys. Napin muna namin and see you later. Yan guys, mukhang ito na yung daanan. Punta dun sa pupuntahan naming Flying Cup. Ang dami nang kakatapos ng maligo. Kami naman, wala kaming dalang panligo. Kasi yung Flying Cup lang talaga ang pinunta namin dito. And syempre, sightseeing din. Dito sa Jumeirah Beach. Yun guys, ako yung Flying Cup. Ayun. Dami foreigner guys. Ayan na, medyo malapit na kami. guys, dito na kami sa flying ka in Dubai. Oh my gosh, ang taas na namin. Nakakalulang tumingin.
Ikot pa yan mamaya.
Guys, dito na kami. Dahil ayoko tumingin sa gilid. Nalulula ako. Parang daw makakain.
Buwasan natin yung
Beo.
Okay guys.
Yeah. Thank you. Guys, hindi ako natin isang taba. Kasi parang malulula ako. Katsikan namin si Kuya rito. Grabe. Taas. Shadow TV.
How many meters?
40 meters.
40 meters.
Very nice experience.
Only 6 minutes. What I do.
Hello. Ito yung merienda namin guys. Sama sa package.
Yes. Good.
It's like spicy.
Sorry, ketchup and mayonnaise. This is ketchup.
Oh, okay.
I think the ketchup. But it's okay.
You don't need spicy.
Yeah, I don't like. Ilang minutes daw ka? 6 minutes?
Ako 30 minutes yan.
Parang hindi lang 6. Umabot ko ano. Yan, nandito na kami sa baba. Hindi namin naubos yung food namin. Kasi mas nag-enjoy kami sa view. Kaya hindi nakakain. Ngayon na, lalabas na kami. Continue namin yung food namin dito. Kasi hindi namin naubos. Hello, B. Nag-enjoy ka ba? Wow, thank you so much, brother. Yeah, thank you. Wow. We don't know yet. Yeah. Yung Jumeirah Beach na pinuntahan namin dito sa Dubai. Ayun yung ay. Tapos ito yung sinakyan namin kanina na flying cup. Sobrang ganda dito. Ang ganda rin naman pala ng beach nila dito. Ayan mo. Tapos pwede ka pala maligo. Open lang siya. Ganda. Ang daming tao. Oh. Sayang lang kami panligo eh. Tsaka nakakatamad ang lamig na rin dito ngayon. Sunset na guys. Ayan, lalabas na kami ng Jumeirah Beach. Thank you for visiting. See you again. Ayan o, Flying Cup, Dubai. Grabe, ang ganda rito. Sino naman? Oh, sunset view. Ang ganda kasi ng sunset dito, guys. Oh. Ang ganda mo masyal dito, no? Na-appreciate ko to. Kahit ang layo. Ang daming nagtatambay dito, oh. No? Dito tayo sa taas.
Thank you for joining our adventure for today. We hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell button to keep you updated. Bye and see you next time.